Good morning, students. How you are? I hope all are fine. Yes. What we started in the last class? Yes, parts of speech. We have started what? Parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? Total. How many parts of speech in English grammar? Yes, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Come on, tell me which are those? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, interjection, and conjunction. Yes, these are 8 parts of speech. Is it right? Yes, even you studied kinds of noun. So, what are the kinds of nouns you studied? Yes, common noun and proper noun and material noun. These things you learnt in the last class. Proper noun, then common noun, after that material noun. This much you learnt in the last class. Is it right? Proper noun, common noun, material noun. Did you learn this thing? Either start ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮುಗಿದಲ್ಲ. Is it finished in the last class? Proper noun, common noun, material noun. So let us going to continue this speed. Just I want to know how much you understood regarding proper noun, common noun, and material noun. So what is proper noun? What is proper noun? Proper noun means particular person, place, or thing name. That is called proper noun. Is it understand? What is proper noun? Particular names, specific names. Those are called proper noun. Okay. For example, Ramu, Sita, then S, Nidugundi, Vijayapura. So these are called what? Proper noun. These are a specific name. These are specific name. Is it understand? Are you getting? Proper noun means this like. Then common means these are not particular. For example, boy, girl, student, driver, teacher. See here. All these are common noun. Is it understand? First column words, those are proper nouns. Second column names are common. Okay, is it understand? Boy, girl, student, driver, teacher, take whatever. Then material means name of thing. Pen, pencil, duster, chalk. Okay, door, window. These are what? Material noun. Material noun means what? Name of thing. Material means what? Name of thing. That is called material noun. This much you learned in the last class. Okay. Proper noun, common noun, material noun. Do you understand? Is it understand? Artha aita? Proper noun andre enu? Common noun andre enu? As well as what is material noun. Shall I continue? Okay. Let us see. Continue. Collective noun. Next one is what? Collective noun. Collective noun. What is collective noun? Let us see what is collective noun. The name of a group of persons or things. Collective means what? Group of person or things. That is called collective noun. It is only one group. It shows what? One group. That is called a collective noun. Maybe person group or animals group or birds group, whatever you take. Okay, only group. Okay, for example, this is my family. First, I joined Indian Army. Okay, I am in I am in class. I am in class. She got the membership in Lions Club. See one more example. There is a crowd. There is a crowd. See here. Look these examples. First example is what? This is my family. This is my family. Then I joined Indian Army. Then third sentence is there. What is that? I am in class. I am in class. Then fourth example, she got the membership in Lions Club. Okay, then there is a crowd. There is a crowd. Then cattle are grazing. Cattle are grazing. Just look this example. Which word tell you collective noun? What is collective noun? Can you guess? Any guess? What is collective noun? In the first sentence, what is collective noun? Family. Yes. Who was in family? Who is in family? Parents. Huh? Grandparents, brothers, sisters. Okay. All these are the persons are living in the family. Okay. That is called collective noun. Collective means group of people. Group of people. It's family. It is a what? Group of people. Family means group of people. So family is a collective noun. This is my family. This is my family. Let's see next. I joined Indian Army. Which word is collective noun? Which word collective noun is there? In second example, I joined Indian Army. Yes. Which word is the collective noun? In the second sentence, army. Army, it is what? Group of what? Who is an army? Soldier. Who is in army? Soldier. So that is a group of what? Soldier. Army. Army, it is a collective noun. How? Because in the army, soldiers are there. That is a group of people. Okay, then I am in class. I am in class. So class, it is a group of students. In the classroom, who was there? Who is in the classroom? Students are not. So class. I am in class. Okay, then she got the membership in Lions Club. So what is collective noun in the fourth sentence? Can you guess? Yes, she got the membership in a Lions Club. Yes, club is there. Club. Club, that is what? A collective noun. Then there is a crowd. There is a crowd. Crowd means gumpu. Crowd andre another gumpu. So here there is a crowd. Along gumpede. It means group of people. Then cattle are grazing. Cattle are grazing. It is a group of cows. It is a group of cows or animals. That is called a cattle. Cattle here are grazing. Cattle is here what? Collective noun. Is it understand? Okay. Let us see some more examples. I am in library. Yes, that is a flock. That is a flock of sheep. There is a swarm of bees. I have bundle of sticks. See here. Look at some examples. What is collective noun? Here I am in library. Library is a collective noun. How do you say library is a collective noun? Yes. What is a library? What is in library? Library, it is a collection of what? Books. Is it right? What is in library? In the library, just you see what? Books. So library means a collection of books. Then that is a flock of sheep. Yes, flock. Flock, it is a group of sheep. Group of sheep. Okay, that is a flock of sheep. Then there is a swarm of bees. Swarm. Swarm, it is what? Swarm of bees. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಜೇನುನೊಣಗಳ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Then I have bundle of sticks. Here bundle it is what? Collective noun. Is it understand what is collective noun? Okay, let us see some more examples to the collective noun. Yes. RCB team won the 2020 World Cup. RCB team. See here, RCB team won the 2020 World Cup. So, in that sentence, what is collective noun? What is collective noun? Team. Team, it is what? Group of players. In the team, who is in the team? Players are there, na? Is it right? Players are there. It means group of people. Then I visit museum. Yes, museum, it is what? Collective noun. In the museum, what you see? All things collected in the museum. Okay, all things collected in the museum. Okay, then I have one pack. Whatever it may be. Pack is a collective noun. Pack of cards, pack of whatever you take. Okay, pack is what? Collective noun. Okay, then bunch of grapes. Fox likes bunch of grapes. Here, what is collective noun in this sentence? Bunch. Yes, what a bunch. Bunch is a collective noun. Fox likes a bunch of grapes. Bunch, it is a collective noun. Is it understand? What is collective noun? Group of person, place or thing. It is called collective noun. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Shall I go further? Okay. Is it understand, students? What is collective noun? Group of person, place, or thing, that is called collective noun. Okay. So here then, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Next one is what? Abstract noun. The name of a quality, name of quality, of feeling, or action, or an action. See here what's happened. Abstract noun means what? Name of quality. First thing, name of quality, feeling. Feeling, you just express your feeling. Then action. Otherwise, take one more example. We can't touch and see. We can't touch and see. Those nouns are called, those nouns are names. Those names are called, those names are called what? Collective noun. Collective noun. See here, for example, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. Honest man. Okay. Then, okay, he is an honest man. I like his strength. I like his strength. She has good knowledge. She has good knowledge. I feel happy. I feel happy. So then, she is, she is, she is dying. See here, five examples. Look at the five examples. Abstract one means what? We can't touch, we can't see. Okay, we can't touch, we can't see. Only quality, quality, feeling. In the first example, he is an honest man. He is an honest man. One quality is there. Which quality is there? Honest. Honest, that is what? Quality. Is it right? Can you see honesty? Can you touch honesty? Honest, you can understand, you can feel, but you can't see, you can't touch those qualities. Okay, he is an honest man. Then, that's like second example. I like his strength. Can you see strength? No. Only you feel. Only you can understand. But you can't see, we can't touch. Strength. Is it understand? Then, she has good knowledge. She has good knowledge. What is the abstract noun in the third sentence? Knowledge. Knowledge is what? Abstract noun. Because it is also, you can't touch, you can't see, only you can feel, you can understand. Okay, that's the reason knowledge is also what type of noun? Collective noun. Let's go to the fourth example. I feel happy. I feel what? Happy. In the fourth sentence, what is collective noun? happy, happy, happy. It is what? Collective noun. Is it sorry, abstract noun. Happy, it is what type of noun? Abstract noun. Yes, can you see happy? No. Can you touch? No. Possible. Possible or impossible? Impossible. Okay. Then she is dead. Yes, died, birth. Can you see? Only understand. Only you feel. But you can't touch, you can't see. These are the qualities. Honest, strength, knowledge, happy, and died. These are what? Abstract noun. These are abstract noun. Let's take some more words to the abstract noun. For example, kindness. 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 Then bravery. Bravery. Joy. War. Okay. Poverty. Richness. Sickness. Richness or sickness. Okay. Sorrow. Birth. Birth. Then joy, already written. Okay. So courage, hair. See here. These are what? Abstract noun words. Kindness. He is very kind person. I like his kindness. So it means you can't see, you can't touch, only you feel. Okay. Kindness. Yes. Bravery. Bravery. Then joy. Okay. War. Poverty. Richness. Sickness. Then sorrow. Birth. Courage. Then air. So these are what type of noun? These are collective noun. Truth. Lie. Those are also what? Collective noun. Sorry, abstract noun. Truth and lie. What type of noun those are? Those are abstract noun. Beauty. Beauty, it is also abstract noun. We can't touch, we can't see, only we can understand. That is called collective noun. Is it understand? What are the things you learned in the class? Two nouns you learned. What are those? First one is a collective noun. Then this one. You learned two nouns. Kinds of nouns you learned now in this class. Okay. You do one thing. Example. Sorry. Homework. What you want to do? Write 5 examples to collective noun. Which sentence you have to write? Don't write only word. Don't write only word. You have to write a sentence. Okay. Write 5 examples to collective noun. Then write 5 examples to what you learned last. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. This much you have to do. It is your homework. 5 by 10. 10 examples you have to write. Each example, 5 examples to each Now, it is your homework. Is it understand? Okay. See you in the next class.